Hey guys, what's up? Sakafet, it's your girl Diane here. What's going on? How is your week? How is your week? What's up? What's going on? So, anyways, let's cut that short. So today, guys, we are continuing with the Haitian cooking. Okay, so today we're gonna do something called. We're going to actually make something called coconut milk. Now, I want to be honest with you guys. I'm lactose intolerant. I cannot drink milk. One, second of all, I am a singer and milk is a no-no for me. But who does not love a big bowl of cereal? I thought so. And in my country, we have a lot of drinks that require milk. And I dread having to use actual cow's milk. And bro, when you put water, it just kills it. It kills it. Like it's just horrible. So today we're going to make coconut milk. Now this is not literally Haitian. Haitians don't make coconut milk. I just found out about coconut milk. But my problem is, you know, when you buy them at the store, they have all these additive things in it that I can't even, I don't even really know the name or understand the name. So I decided, why not make my own at home? It's very cheap. The recipe only costs you $1.47. That's it. Well, if you want to include your gas bill, I don't really know. But it's very easy, super easy. So guys, let's just get into the video of how to make coconut milk so we can continue to enjoy our bowl of cereal. And so you guys already have the milk for the Haitian drinks I'm going to show you in the coming videos. All right, so stay tuned. Let's go and make our milk. Moo. A glass bowl, and I'll tell you the reason why we need this. Second of all, we need 4 cups of boiling water. I mean boiling water, like boiling water. And third of all, we're going to need 2 cups of coconut, shredded coconut flakes, mostly unsweetened. Do not take the sweetened one. You need shredded unsweetened coconut, okay? And lastly, we're going to need our beautiful appliance, our blender. Now, I use the Braun blender. I love my Braun. Trying to get a Ninja, but I got a Braun in the process. But Braun is good too. Shout out to Braun. We'll also be needing a cheesecloth. Now, usually you're supposed to use a nut bag or a nut sack, I think. A nut bag to strain it, but I didn't find that in here. The coconut's in there, and we're gonna let them sit, sit in there, and then let's pour the coconut, the hot boiling water to the coconut. Okay, guys, so then we're just gonna let it sit a little to cool off just a little bit, because it is a little hot. Just leave it there. Leave it there for a minute or 2, okay? And then we're going to be adding it to the blender. Take our coconut bowl that we were using, and then we're going to take our cheesecloth. So I'm just going to put it in there. Do you see that? Do you see that rich coconut? good too. You guys see that rich coconut milk? Really? Okay guys, I hope you love this video. You guys got to learn how to make homemade coconut milk. Here it is. Guys, it smells good and it tastes amazing, guys. Like, you can use it for anything. Use it for your smoothies, you can make yogurt for it. The thing about it is, because it was made with water, after a time the water is going to go down. There's going to be a layer of fat on top of it. So what you can do with that fat, you can put it in a bowl and blend it to make your very own coconut whipped cream. Let me tell you guys, it's very cheap. Just one small bag of coconut flakes for $1.47, and you have milk for cereal, for smoothies, for so many things. That especially, sorry guys, I'm losing my words, especially if you're lactose intolerant. Guys, it's amazing. And if you're vegan, it's amazing. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go down in the comment section and tell me if you guys were able to make it. How did it come out? And did you enjoy it? And guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because very soon there are a lot of drinks, Haitian drinks, especially Haitian beverages, y'all, that's gonna come up, and I will be using that coconut milk. So stay tuned, stay in the know, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. See ya. God bless.